The plan is to pull everything out of my closet and see what I have. We're going to, oh my goodness, you're gonna see how many shoes I have, how many bags I have. You're just gonna see it all. Please don't judge me. Do not judge me. But anyway, let's go ahead and just do this. This is called a hot mess closet clean out. Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's me, Audrey, also known as Noble Strength. And as you saw in the introduction, I'm getting ready to clean my closet out. So let's just go ahead and start pulling things out. By the way, if these are your type of videos, closet clean outs, anything related to fashion, click like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. This is my closet. You've seen it before, those of you who've been with me for a while and been veterans of my channel. This is the closet. I have quite a few things. It is packed from top to bottom, and I need to pare down and get rid of some things. So my plan is to pull everything out and pull it out onto the bed. So right now you can see that things are pretty minimal over here. I don't have a lot of clutter in the room. That's how everything typically looks on a day-to-day basis. But by the end of this video, this entire room will probably be covered with stuff. And we're losing daylight, so let me just go ahead and get started. Close out. And this is gonna take a while, so I'll probably speed through this. So this is what I've pulled out of my closet so far. Shoes, bags, and some bags over there. And that is just from this one little wall here. Just this one section here, guys. All of that I just showed you was packed in that one little corner and on the back of the door. So let's continue. There's more to pull out. Cleaned out my closet. As you can see, it is cleaned out. It is completely empty. So everything's gone, and I'm about to sweep the floor right now, and then it's time to turn this hot mess. All of that came out of that small little space. These are all of my shoes. Like I said, please don't judge me. Some of my handbags, some more shoes, and some more handbags, belts, as you can see. And then over here, more handbags. And I didn't even pull the stuff out of there out, but I will. So that is everything that was in my closet, packed away. Now it is time to sort through everything and decide what I'm gonna keep and what I'm gonna give away. And yeah, so I will speed through all of that. I will show you basically what the end result will be, because like I say, we're about to lose daylight here. So thanks for sticking around with me. And if there's anybody out there who's like me, then we can do this together, okay? All right. So far, I have almost filled up one bag of clothes, and these are mostly coats and jackets. So I'm going to continue on with this side of coats and jackets. Love this blazer, definitely keeping that. This is so cute. I love this little red pea coat. I just need to throw it in the cleaners. I'm keeping that. I think I'm going to give this away. I have not worn it. Keeping that, keeping that, keeping my members only. I love members only. So keeping those. Keeping this. This one I'm giving away. Giving away. Keeping this one I may put up on POSHMARK. I really didn't wear that this fall, but it's such a great one and it could be sold. Keeping, giving away, giving away. All right, so let's put these away. This is a progress that I've made so far. It's about 8:20 p.m. So I've been at this for over a little 2.5 hours because I started at 6:15. All the clothes are done. I have 2 large kitchen bags full of clothes plus that small bag. Now all I have to tackle are my handbags, belts, and shoes. That's all I have left to do. And this is my light source now. I pulled that out from the garage just to kind of get some light source in here since it is now dark. But I'm gonna go through all of those, and the things that I'll be putting up on POSHMARK are just mostly handbags and shoes. And I'm gonna try to count these as I go along so that you will see how many bags I have and shoes. I'm going to be as transparent as I can possibly be because I really want to encourage others to go ahead and start purging. By the way, this is what the closet looks like with the clothes that I have decided to keep. And I tried to color coordinate as I always do. And this is from this angle, you can see. So I think I've done really, really well. And then over here are just the longer dresses. And that is it. So I am so excited. Everything's coming along nicely. I have now put in my shoes, and I told you I would keep it very transparent for you all. I have counted a total of 75 pairs of shoes. That's counting the ones that I have on my feet. I decided to put all of my most used red and black shoes over here. And then the rest of them I have put along the wall underneath the clothes on either side. And I've just started bringing in my purses, so I'll give you a count of those in just a minute as soon as I bring all of those in. So things are looking good. Yay! It is a little after 10, about 10:10, and I'm all done. So it took about almost 4 hours, not quite 4 hours, but I have 3 bags of clothes and accessories from the pile that you saw earlier. Yay, victory, victory. Small strides, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this around so you can see the closet. I know it's not gonna look like I did anything, but I'm gonna show you. Ta-da! I know it doesn't look like much because I have quite a few things. I said I was gonna keep it transparent. So when I told you I had 75 pairs of shoes, I forgot to include the boots. So 77 pairs of shoes. And now all of the bags are in, as you can see, and everything is packed once again from ceiling to floor. But at least I weeded out 3 bags worth of things. So I just feel like progress has been made. Praise the Lord. I like to give updates on my closets because I know there are a lot of people who wonder, someone who thrifts so much, where does she keep all of her things? What does she do with her stuff? Well, I try to purge as often as I can and get rid of things. I still have a lot more to get rid of, but I'm trying to keep everything in this closet and not, let it extend outside of the closet. So that's the only way I know how to do that, is to just purge when I need to. So I have 104 bags. I know that's a lot. And I'm going to now get in front of the camera to talk to you because I really want you to see how sincere I am in what I'm about to say. So let me hop around and get in front of the camera. Well, thank you for coming along with me on this closet purge journey. The whole purpose of me sharing this video is to encourage other avid thrifters and shoppers to just let go, because sometimes it's good to just let things go. And then other times you need to let things go in order for other things to come your way. So for me personally, I just don't want to be a hoarder, and I don't want things to get out of control. I don't want it to take over my home. That show Hoarders. Sometimes I watch that show just to kind of like pull myself in and remind myself that things can get out of control if we don't deal with them. And I just wanted to keep everything contained in my closet, and the only way I can do that is to purge every now and then. So I took inventory today, and I was quite blown away with how much I had acquired in this past year. And I'm gonna keep it transparent, like I said. So I have 77 pairs of shoes, and then handbags, I have 104, and that is counting my most recently acquired bags that you have not seen yet. I have about 5 of those, which I plan on doing videos on soon. But so 104 bags. My plan is to get rid of 25 handbags. I want to sell 25 on POSHMARK, so be looking for some new uploads on my Posh closet, and that is Noble Artisan. I'll leave all the information in the description box below. And then I also want to give away to Salvation Army or Goodwill another 25 bags. So a total of 50 bags I want to get rid of. I need to get rid of, I should say. So that is the plan, and I'm sharing it with you because I'm hoping that this will encourage someone else, and I want you all to hold me accountable for what I am saying. I have big plans on doing some things, and I feel like in order for me to meet my goals and to, see the vision that I have manifest, I need to start letting go of some things. So that is why I'm doing this, and I just wanted to encourage all of you. So remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much. And I love you too, and I will be seeing you very soon. Bye.